Hello everyone, this is Zozo Stockwatch from Twitter and also from StockTwits, and I'm going to go through some stocks that I'm going to have on the radar for tomorrow and maybe for the week. So here they come, some stocks on watch. First one up is going to be, let me bring this over. First one up is going to be AAOI. And you see that it's up above the 8 EMA. It's kind of consolidating here under the $50 level. So we had a high on Friday at 49.80. Another high on Thursday, 49.83. So if this can possibly get through 49.90, that 50 level, I'll have this one on watch to see if it can do that. It's holding up above the 13 EMA, which is this yellow line, and you're looking at a daily chart. And so this one is definitely on watch for Monday and the week ahead. Next one up is this AEZS, and they're supposed to have a conference call on Monday, I believe, and so we're going to see if I can get a move out of this one. Had a big pop, 1.1 million shares on AEZS. Next one up is Build-A-Bear Workshop. Had a big pop for the week. It was up 14%. So I'll see if I can get some kind of pullback and continuation in this name. See the volume coming in on BBW. Now I don't know how this thing trades during the day. I've never traded it, but I'll put it on watch and see. I'm not really enthused about these lower minute charts. It's kind of strange here, right? You had this big pop and then it just kind of trailed off. So we'll see on that one. Not one of my favorites. CDXC. This one had a nice pop, nice volume on Friday and Thursday. So see if we can get a continuation move. We had a high on Friday of 319. Also on Thursday, you had a high of $3.30. So maybe over 325 might send this one up to break out over that 330 mark on CDXC. Next one up is CEMP. Had a big push down, another push down, starting to get back over the the 50 SMA. We had a big pop on on Friday. So we'll see if there's any type of setup on a lower time frame chart for CEMP. ENTA, watching this one for a possible break of maybe 31.85, 31.90 for 32 break. We had a high on Thursday on this one of 32.20. So I'll go ahead and have this on a chart, ENTA, see if we can get a continuation move off the daily chart on ENTA. HIIQ turning back up above the 50 SMA, this blue line, looking for a break of the high here, 1690 for a possible break of 17 on HIIQ. Looks like the daily setting up, and it's been basing and holding $15. So, possible swing trade in this one. So keep an eye on that one. IFON, big pop, pullback. Another big volume bar, 7.9 million shares. It is an under the $1 stock, but, might give us something on Monday or Tuesday. So we'll have that one on watch. IMPV, this one, nice pop on Friday. The high Friday was 44.60, so I'm looking for that level to break on IMPV, software applications sector, and we'll see if we can get a continuation of this move. We're holding above the 50 SMA, the 13 and the 8 crossed, are moving up, and it's holding the 8 EMA, so this one will be on watch. KITE will also be on watch for possible break of that 83.40 area on KITE. Next one up is MSDI, big pop, 3.3 million shares, popped up to the 50 SMA, which is actually angled down, sloped down. So we will see if we can get back over, some kind of move here of the $1.25 on a lower time frame chart. So I'll have this one on watch. MU Micron curling back up, had a high on Friday of 28.20. So we'll see if we can get over that 25 mark on MU. Okay, right now it's at 27.67, so it might take a few days, and it's up here at this gap, the top of the gap again. So see if this can push back up on MU. I like the way the 50 is angled up and the 200 is turned up, so that one looks like it has potential. NADL, this one I will have on watch. Its high was 262. So over that mark might get interesting on NADL. Not my favorite because it's had a lot of pops and drops, pop and drop, pop and drop. But it's above the 8. It's holding above the faster moving averages. Would be nice if this 50 would turn up. But you see the 200 SMA is in the way right now. So this one, might need to consolidate some more, but I'll have it on watch. Oracle got mentioned on CNBC. I think it was Friday. So we're looking for this 45 break. We also have a high here on a Wednesday of 45.04. So maybe 45.05, 45.10 might send Oracle back on its way. The 50's turned up. It's holding up above the fast moving averages. The 200 could curl up a little bit more. So, this is kind of in the wheelhouse right now. The techs have been moving up, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. So maybe, Oracle might give us a nice pop on ORCL. I think there's rumors around this one, right? Planet Fitness, or was it Party City? Well, yeah, I think it's Party City, actually, that had the rumor. So ignore that on Planet Fitness. But this had a nice pop on the weekly chart here, and it was up 12% for the week. So we're looking to see if this one can maybe break out above 21, or it might need to pull back. It is up 3 candles in a row. So, but one to have on watch, I think. 1.1 million shares. Volume's been coming in, so I'll keep my eye on that one. PRAN, PRAN. Big pop, got up to this 400 SMA, which is this purple line right here, and pulled back from it. So let's see, the high was 368. So we'll see if we get a setup in this PRAN for possible day trading. Party City, this was the one that I mentioned, takeover rumors around this one. Popped on Thursday up to 17. The high on Friday was 1608. So if we can get back over, 1610, 1612, maybe we get a continuation move in PRTY. The moving averages are turning up. It's back above the 200 SMA, even though this is kind of flat right now. But, with these rumors and whatnot, we'll see if that one can move up. TBBK had a big bounce. I never heard of this company, so I just got it off a scanner. TBBK had a high of 673. So, a natural number, 675, can get over that. See if this can set up on a daily chart. I don't remember the news on this one, why it gapped up, or if there was news. But just came on a scanner, so I'll have that on watch. Twilio, TWLO, finally broke over that 33, got as high as 33.36, and closed at above 33. So it's above the moving averages. The fast moving averages are turning up. So we'll see if this one can give us a continuation move. See, it was a recent IPO. Made it all the way up to $70. It's been basing around here, around that 25 area, and we had a high over here of 34.95. So keep this one on watch, might be interesting. WPRT, auto parts, popping. You see volume pops, pulls back, but they came back for more. 1.6 million shares. This candle looks a lot better than this candle. It's back above the 200 SMA. It's above the 50, which is the blue line, blue SMA. The fast moving averages are curled up. So we had a high on Friday, 142. So if we can get back over that 142, 145 mark, maybe we can get over this 150. Only thing concerns me is the the 300 SMA is right above, and that is at 160. So, that might pose as a resistance area for WPRT. All right, I have a few more, but I want to keep this video short. I know it's Sunday night, and people are probably not going to watch this video till tomorrow morning, so I'll keep it short and sweet. You can catch me on StockTwits, Zozo Stockwatch. You can also catch me on Zozo Stockwatch on Twitter, and come and like the video. Let me know what kind of stocks you're looking at, what things you like to talk about, and do those. I'm going to be starting to do videos more often now, so give me some comments, like the video, and give me some topics that we can talk about for you. All right, thank you very much for listening. This is Mike, Zozo Stockwatch. Thank you everyone for listening, and I did a previous video, let's get ready for the week ahead, and you have what's coming up for earnings, economic, and things like that on that first video. Have a wonderful evening or day when you watch this. Thank you once again for listening. Zozo Stockwatch.